Hey guys, welcome back. To gain the extra horsepower at the GTI, we're going to paint the calipers red. Okay, just taking off the wheel. Okay, so I have the caliper here and a lot of the paint is starting to flake off, so I'm just going to repaint it. So what I've done is I have a wire brush and a drill, and I'm just going to go over it all, try to pull up as much flakes as I can, get rid of all the rust as much as I can, and clean it up. A bit of paint now on this would look absolutely class. So what we're going to do is strip it back down again. That's up there. Get some brake cleaner. Wipe with a clean rag, and we're going to put some paint on it. So what colour should I paint it? Well, I was thinking about different colours, maybe go back to silver the way it was, but I do have red, and red is for GTI, and yeah, I think red would look really nice in this. Okay, so let's get some paint on. For first coat, just spread it out really thin, get a bit everywhere. Don't worry about the brush strokes or anything like that, just get it on, and the next coat will hide all the brush marks. Okay, now to get rid of all the brush strokes, so you can see all these little lines going up and down. So we're going to go in up and down like that, just go tap tap tap, and you can see all the little lines are just disappearing, but it gives a nice mottled effect to the paint. And it's only a caliper, so like when people look in, they just want to see a red caliper, they don't really care too much what it looks like, and it's only the face really on this side here, this bit here, and a little bit of either side of this that you're ever going to see anyway, just through the wheel spokes. So you don't have to go overboard or worry too much about anything. If you do get a little tiny drop on the disc, these discs are going to be rotating, you're going to burn all that off anyway, so, and a bit of brake cleaner is going to remove it as well, so don't worry about anything too much. Just get nicely covered. So it looks absolutely class when you do the mottled effect. Just tap, tap, tap. It just blends everything in so well. Okay, I'm happy with that. Oh, forgot this one here. Okay, that's blending in nicely. Super. Okay, now let's leave this dry, do the other side. Okay, so it's all painted and all reinstalled, and it looks brilliant. Absolutely love it. So yeah, proper GTI, red calipers, the whole lot. So unfortunately, like when the wheel is up, you're only going to see this bit here, so all the back half you're not really going to see, because like you can only see directly into the spokes. But yeah, I think it looks absolutely deadly. So if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe, really helps the channel. And if you like this video and you want to support me, you can do so at Buy Me a Virtual Cup of Coffee, link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, see you next time.